In this recording, I will be doing all the page documents from Weebly. The first one is text wrap. For this, we worked on how to insert pictures, and you can go to insert over here. You can choose from your file you have saved to your computer, or you can find online pictures to include. You actually double click on the picture and a format tab will appear, and you can hit rest and it will position where the text appear with the picture. That is it for text wrap. This assignment was format pictures. For this one, and you have many available to you, such as you're able to choose the contrast of the picture, or that it appears, the brightness and contrast of a picture, is the color that the picture appears in. Also choose between picture styles, which make it look more appealing. The next assignment was shapes. For this, to insert a shape, you hit the insert tab and click on shapes, and a selection of shapes will appear. You can also, once you have the shape on the page, double click on it, and format will allow you to change the color of the shape, change the shape fill, shape outline, shape effect, and you can also choose from different, maybe you want the shape to appear in. So the next assignment is text box. So you can go to the insert tab and an option will appear for text. You'll just click on that and a cursor will pop up, and you just drag it out to how big or the area you want the text box to appear in, and you can just start typing. You can change the font that's within the text box, the size, color. You can actually change the under format. There are different that the words can appear in. You can change the outline of the text, or fill the text to make a different color, maybe add text effects to it. You have many different options how it appears on the page document. For the next assignment is arrange objects. For this one, you can it's basically how on the page appear. Picture right here. You can also hold down the shift key or control key and click on different objects, and you're able to go to format and can either align objects how you want it to appear, like a line in the middle, a line all to the left, right, or you can actually group the objects together, which will allow you to move them all simultaneously at the same time. And after you're done, you can just have this drop down again and ungroup them, and they will all be back to individual pictures to move and place however you please. Next assignment is tables. There's a table command, and add tables. You can use this to choose. Click on the table. You have the options to increase a row or decrease the size of it to where you can be able to either see all the text or not if it's not appearing. You can delete cells. You can actually row in between an already existing rows, or a column in between already existing columns, or you can remove the rows and columns completely. You can also increase the size of the table, increase it, and the color of the table, the design, how it appears, add a header, or have the number total rows on display. You can change here's options to insert rows and columns. You get the table, which will make it into 2 tables, and you can cells if you feel that they need to be 2 separate things. The next assignment is charts. For this, you to insert the chart using the chart command. There's many different. You're able to put information to the chart. Be able to how that information appears. You can go to design and change the color of the dial, out, and just other options to where you can make the chart more appealing if need be. Go to format, and this section, this is allowed for like shape fill. Back at design, you can actually edit the data that's in the chart, select data, change chart type. You have these tools on the side for layout options and styles and chart filters. You can actually double and like move around, decrease, increase the size, change the shape that appears. You don't have to have cubed columns. You can have like cone shaped columns and pyramid shaped columns. Just different things to make it more appealing and eye-catching. The next assignment is check spelling. As you can see, all the mistakes in the Word document have been corrected, but for example, if I misspell, say, marketing, click off of it, and here, I'm able to click on I can hit the spelling and grammar, and it will check the whole page document for any misspelled words, and it will give me options as to what I might have meant to put there instead. I can click on marketing and then and it will change and to change all. So it's a neat tool to help finalize your paper to make sure there isn't any mistakes.